Hello, today I'm in Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change menu on the instrument cluster. And thanks to this button you can navigate through current menu. Now let's take a look at the instrument cluster and let's see what it offers. Firstly, we can see trip info from start, consumption, distance to empty, from reset. Next, we can see odometer, radio info, and menu. In menu, you can reset instrument cluster settings, change instrument cluster display between speed or outside temperature, change language, change units, and manage settings like instrument cluster, time and date, lighting. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.